In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage apps and extensions in Google Admin Console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set policy, how to control what users can install, and how to review requests, all from one place. First, sign into the Admin Console using an account with the proper admin role. From the home page, head to Devices. This is where Google centralizes settings related to managed hardware and Chrome. Next, choose Chrome. This section governs Chrome policies across your organization, whether users are on managed devices or just signed in to Chrome with a managed account. Open apps and extensions. Think of this as the command center for managing Chrome apps, extensions, and Chrome Web Store access. You'll see different scopes like users and browsers, kiosks, and managed guest sessions. Start with Overview. This gives you a high-level snapshot of what's configured and where. It's useful for confirming the number of items deployed and ensuring you're targeting the right organizational units. Move into Users and Browsers. Here, select the organizational unit you want to manage, top level for broad policies or a child unit for more granular control. Targeting the right OU helps you pilot changes safely before rolling them out widely. Open User App Settings. This page controls how apps and extensions behave for your selected users. You'll manage install types, permission prompts, and whether users can add their own tools from the Chrome Web Store. Adjust the allow or block mode to fit your security posture. You can block all apps except those you explicitly allow all except a specific block list, or force install key extensions your users need. Use allow lists for curated, trusted tools, and consider force install for critical security or productivity extensions. Review Chrome Web Store settings to decide if users can browse the store, request apps, or if access should be limited. Restricting store access can reduce risk, but remember to provide an approved catalog so users still have what they need to work. Check additional app settings to refine behavior. Here you can control whether users can pin apps, manage extension permission warnings, and enforce policies that limit what extensions can do. Small adjustments here can significantly improve security and user experience. Finally, open requests. This is where you'll review and approve or deny extension requests from users. Approvals applied here follow your selected OU, keeping everything organized and auditable. When you're done, confirm changes and allow a few minutes for policies to propagate. Test with a pilot OU, have a user relaunch Chrome, and verify the results. With these steps, you'll maintain a secure, consistent app and extension experience across your organization.